Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you are most welcome, and my name is Anthea. Today I am going to show you a very simple recipe, a DIY cucumber face mask. And this mask is great after a hot day because it soothes irritation and it hydrates the skin. Cucumber is also a gentle astringent, which means that it will aid in prevention of acne breakouts and it brightens the skin, so it's going to definitely help with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and dark circles around the eyes and any other dark spots that you may have on your skin. I am sharing with you the simplest way to make this mask, and it requires only one ingredient: cucumber. Place your cucumber in a refrigerator and cool it down completely. Cut one end of the cucumber off and evenly and thinly slice the cucumber. Use any device that makes it easy for you to achieve these thin slices. I am going to be using a potato peel. Slices have to look something like this because you want them to be flexible enough to actually lay on all the curves. Now, after you've cleaned your face, start placing the cucumber slices on your face, starting from the top, going downwards. You can just stop here, but as I mentioned before, it is actually very good for dark circles around the eyes, and it will also help you get rid of the puffiness around your eyes. So if you're interested in that, just go ahead and put some slices of cucumber on your eyes as well. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's time to remove the cucumber slices. Take them off one by one. Go ahead with your toner, your moisturizer. So basically go on with the rest of your skincare routine. Skin actually feels really nice. It feels so smooth, so hydrated, and I think I am in love with this mask. Try it on a couple of times and see how you feel about it. Thank you so much for watching this video and sticking around till the end. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to do so, and also give me a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment below. Have yourselves a nice weekend.